Alright, late afternoon has started as we continue the first weekend of April. April 5th, 2025. CN Hayes here along with the ATSF Rail Fan 1623. Coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again on the Canadian National Spear Submarine Post 353.17 with the next video lined up. Another southbound on the way following well behind the 344. Let's check them out as we lean back and get them. Here we go. 6-7 rebuild, sure enough. 3302's back. Conversion once. The hot Q198. One of the 30th. Not bad at all. So that's going to do it for the hot Q198 51 of the 30th, and we'll do it for the 3302 and the 3047. We'll do it with this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. See you next time, and hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.